In our roles, we know that a hospital's resilience depends on three things: a well-trained staff, a strong public reputation, and a voice in the policies that govern us. Our local ASHE network is no different. Today, we're going to talk about how we build our influence through three core activities: powerful education, strategic outreach, and effective advocacy. Pillar 1: education that matters. Let's be honest, our time is precious. When we choose to spend an hour at an educational event, it has to be worth it. Educational programming isn't just a box to check. It's a core promise we make to our members. It's where we come to solve problems, together. But to be successful, our programs can't be theoretical. They must be practical. Our members are pragmatic. They need nuts and bolts information they can use back at the hospital on Monday morning. We need to focus on the current and future problems we all face: new fire codes, emergency management protocols, or energy-saving technologies. How do we find these relevant topics? We ask you, through surveys, conversations, and evaluations. We then deliver this content in the right format, whether it's a hands-on workshop for a deep dive, a monthly meeting for an update, or a larger conference for a broad perspective. And let's not forget the hidden curriculum: networking. The conversations in the hallway are often as valuable as the presentation. It's where we find the colleague who has already solved the ventilation problem we're struggling with. Pillar 2: telling our story, public and industry relations. If the first pillar is about talking to each other, this one is about talking to the world. The work we do in healthcare facilities is often invisible until it fails. We must be proactive in telling our story and shaping our reputation. Who needs to hear our story? Hospital administrators. They need to understand that investing in our departments isn't a cost. It's a direct investment in patient safety and the bottom line. At the public and local media, they should know that facility managers are the professionals ensuring their loved ones are in a safe, healing environment. The next generation. We must partner with trade schools and colleges to show students that a career in healthcare engineering is a noble, critical, and rewarding path. Our tools are diverse: a sharp website, active LinkedIn profiles, press releases about our members' achievements, and personal visits with decision makers. Every time we explain how a proper backup power system saves lives, or how an efficient plant operation lowers healthcare costs, we build our credibility and influence. Pillar 3: our united voice. Advocacy. This is where we turn our shared challenges into systemic change. We all know the frustration of conflicting code interpretations or regulations that are not based on scientific evidence. Advocacy is not about cutting corners. It's about ensuring that the rules we follow are practical, cost-effective, and above all, scientifically sound to maximize patient safety. The American Society for Healthcare Engineering's national advocacy is powerful because it is fueled by our local, on-the-ground experiences. When you encounter a code official who misinterprets a standard, that's not just your problem. It's a data point for our national team. When we see a regulation that would force us to waste resources without improving safety, we have a responsibility to speak up. This is why every local network has an advocacy liaison. This person is our two-way communication link, taking our local issues to the national level and bringing back intelligence on upcoming changes. They are our representative in the fight for sensible standards. By mastering these three pillars, we do more than just host meetings. We build a community of experts. We elevate our profession in the eyes of the public. And we actively shape the regulatory landscape to ensure our facilities are as safe and efficient as they can possibly be. This is how we move from being seen as maintainers of buildings to being recognized as essential guardians of patient care. I hope you enjoyed the video. Would appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to the channel so we can reach more listeners like yourself. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and continue exploring the world of healthcare with us. I remain your host, Sunday Clement. Thanks for listening.